I came here because I had a missing tooth and I was kind of stuck on the idea of getting veneers. I thought that veneers was just gonna be a one fix all. I wanted to just have a really perfect smile and I thought veneers were gonna be the right fit for me. After talking to Dr. Paranhos, we kind of decided let's just do minimal dentistry, and then if we weren't pleased with that, we could move forward with veneers. I decided to do an implant. We did a little bit of gum contouring. Just those two alone brought everything together and it gave me more of that uniform look that I was looking for with veneers without the risk and commitment. I love it. I really, really like my smile. I'm so glad that I didn't choose veneers. It looks natural, it looks straight. One thing I really, really liked about the practice was that you had a team of dentists and each dentist has their specialty in different facets of dentistry. So it allowed me to get everything in one place and it allowed them to bounce ideas off of each other and kind of everybody to have the same vision, the same goal. That was just really extraordinary for me. I didn't have to go to multiple offices and get different opinions. It was really important for me to find an office that had an in-house lab. And this was one of the few that I found in Atlanta. I worked with Paranhos first, I worked with Salama, and then I worked with Dr. Silva. Working with each doctor, I felt comfortable. Each one made me at ease. Each one was very direct and honest with their recommendations. And at the least with Dr. Salama for my implant surgery, it was painless. The way that they numb you is just unique. I'm used to really big needles, and this was a very small needle and you could barely feel it. So it took away a lot of anxiety on that part. Having the ceramicist come in and the final steps, making those final touches to my implant, like it really just put it all together for me. Like this is why I came here. I love Goldstein Garber and Salama. I'm so glad I found them. I would recommend it a million times over.